Hello students, let us see the challenges faced by Indian democracy. Democracy is a continuous and living process. Citizens should remain vigilant, alert and make conscious efforts to sustain democracy. It is necessary to identify the threats to democracy and take timely measures to resolve them. As we have said earlier, democracy is a continuous living process. Means mere adoption of democracy does not bring democracy into practice. You know that in democracy, people are most important part. They have to take an important role. Alert and conscious efforts are required to sustain democracy. It is necessary to understand the threats to democracy in time and deal with them in a democratic manner. Threats to democracy means there may be two types of threats. That means internal threats may be there, external threats may be there. But external threats can be identified easily, but it is difficult to identify internal threats. In this chapter, we will primarily focus on challenges before democracy in India. But before that, let us have a look at challenges before democracy at the global level. First, we have to think about, study about what are the problems which are prevalent in for democracy in the global at the global level. Today, every nation in the world claims to be democratic. Most of the nation I am telling, but in reality, very few nations in the world have democracy that protects the rights and freedom of people and gives priority to the welfare of people. Many democracies are facing the challenge of military takeover. Military takeover means when military takes the command over the administrative and other systems. Spread of democratic values at the global level and adoption of true democracy by all nations is a major challenge at global level. Global level itself, democracy is facing certain challenges. Democratic values are found to be very weak even in those nations where democracy appears to be deep rooted. In nations like India, democracy appears in the form of voting. Means what? Democracy is living, means it is still present in the form of voting, elections, governmental structure and judiciary, etc. However, this is only a political form of democracy. To become a way of life, democracy must be practiced in each and every aspect of social life. Several measures such as inclusion of all social components, autonomy means swayattata, to social institutions, empowerment of citizens, protection of human values need to be adopted for real cultivation of democracy. We shall discuss the other topics in the next video.